Guys, another great lunch is my delicious burger and salad. So what kind of burger is it? It's a Mark Angelo burger. It's a turkey burger. Here it is. Doesn't that look good? You could pan fry it, bake it, or barbecue it. It's delicious barbecued. And this bun is a smart bun. For 1 smart point, you get this whole big bun, and I toasted it. That's why it's brown. You don't have to toast it, but I like it a little bit crispy. And then a huge salad. On the bun, I'm going to have a little bit of mustard, whatever kind you like. And then you don't have to count the points. And on the salad, I'm just going to have a tablespoon of opadil. And I usually put on some lemon juice, and it spreads it more, so you use less. So those are my tips. Use mustard on your sandwiches or on your burgers, and then you have more to have for your veggies, okay? So that's what's for lunch, and I hope this is helpful for Weight Watchers or for any health lifestyle. I got my burgers at Walmart and the buns at the low-carb grocery store, but you can Google smart buns, okay, and find out where you can buy them. Take care.